Have this question, an ellipse is given to you, so you can see that the major axis is along the x-axis. So now next they are saying that S is a point in the first quadrant such that this is happening. What does that mean, this is happening? They're just telling you that the point is outside the ellipse. Okay, that's the point S they are talking about, P comma Q. Okay, now let's read more. Two tangents are drawn from S to the ellipse, one of which meets the ellipse at the endpoint of the minor axis. Okay, so one of the tangent is meeting here. Okay, what does that mean? What do you conclude? That the tangent is a horizontal line, correct? That's what you conclude. That means your S should be on this line. Okay, and what does that mean? If S is on this line, what's the equation? Y is equal to 2. That means Y coordinate should be 2. So you already got that your Q value is 2. So you see that they're just asking Q. Okay, so only A and B option could be true. Okay, let's read more. And the other meets the ellipse at a point T in the fourth quadrant. So now this is the other tangent. Okay, so let's draw that. It is meeting at a point T, which is in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Now, if this point is a fourth quadrant, the y coordinate is negative. Let's assume the coordinate. Let's say alpha and minus beta are the coordinates here. Okay. Beta is positive. Okay. Okay, now let R be the vertex of the ellipse with positive x coordinate. So this they're talking, this is the vertex, right, of the ellipse with the positive x coordinate. How much is that? How much is the vertex? This is 9, right? So this should be 3. Okay, so 3 square is there, right? So 3 comma 0. And O be the center of the ellipse. So this point is O. Now if the area of the triangle ORT, okay, let's see where it is ORT. So this triangle area they are giving is 3 by 2. Then they are looking for P and Q value. So what's the area of ORT triangle? ORT, half times base times height, you know that. So half times base times height. Okay, this is the height, right? So if this is minus beta, can I say that it's beta, right? The height is beta, the length is beta. Okay, now this area they have given is 3 by 2. What do you know? OR, do we know OR? Yes, that's 3. Okay, so you have half 3 times beta is equal to 3 by 2. So what do you get? You actually got your beta value, right? That's 1. Beta is 1. So now you got the y coordinate of t. Okay, alpha and minus 1. Now can you get alpha? Yes, very trivial, right? You can just, because it's lying on the ellipse, you just plug in the point on the ellipse and you will get to know its alpha value. So let's get that. Plug in alpha and beta, we got to be how much? Minus 1. Okay, that's the y coordinate. So minus 1 square upon 4, that's 1. So alpha square is 3 times 9 upon 4. Root 3 by 2, that's alpha. Okay, so everything is known. Okay, so t point is also known. 3 root 3 by 2 and minus 1. That's your point t. Now, what's the main thing? You need to get S, right? You need to know the p coordinate of S. What do you know now? Yeah, S is where? On the tangent, right, which passes through this point. Write the equation of the tangent, plug in S. Okay, so how do you write equation of a tangent? X1 upon 9 plus y. What is x1 y1? The point at which you are drawing the tangent. Okay, so let's plug in the point. Okay, alpha and beta are on that line. We just got alpha, so this is this plus y, and beta was negative 1 upon 4 is equal to 1. This is equation of the tangent. Okay, now what do I do? Just plug in. Okay, put S is equal to P2 on this. Okay, so let's plug in here because this point is on that tangent. It should satisfy that equation. So what do we get? P this upon 9 times 2 minus y I am plugging 2 is equal to 1. How much is this? This is 3. This is root 3. Okay, just look at it. What do you get? P upon 2 root 3 is equal to 1 plus half. That's 3 by 2. So P value we are getting how much? Uh, 3 root 3, right? That's the p value. So yeah, so A option, right? We had a choice among A and B, so we got A option to be the correct option. Not very difficult, right? Okay, see you with another one.